Do you know Canva makes it simple to create step-by-step images like this? With Canva's Grids tool, you can easily design a clean and organized layout. Start with a custom size, open Canva and create a new design. Set the dimensions to 1500 on 1500 pixels for a square layout, ideal for guides or instructions. Go to the Elements tab and search for grids. Choose the 4-grid layout with equal sections. This ensures your design stays aligned and neat. Click on the background of the first square to apply a consistent color, like the blue in this design. Add a title that is big and catchy. Upload your product photos like the tear, pour, and hydrate steps. Drag each image into a grid section and Canva will snap them perfectly into place. Use the text tool to add titles and steps. Write Step 1, tear. Step 2, pour. And Step 3, hydrate. Adjust the font, size, and position to make it readable. Download your design, save the image in high resolution, ready to share or upload.